turned back. Poor ball boy was just trying to throw it back. Disappointed there.
Oh, no cables here. No cables here. That's a Dhoni special. How many times we've...
And straight away. Edged. And it's taken. That's taken. He squeezed it into the ground. Bowden.
Pull shot again. It's 4 runs again. It's taken the pace off, but still enough legs.
Jabbed away. Oh, what a shot that is.
50 for Yuvraj, played really well today. Shot, that's more like it. That's what Dhoni's itching to do. Not think about making a change though. What a shot that. And greeted with a little clip off the legs. Pulled away, no one at deep. This time he used his feet.
Edged past the keeper. Right into the fence. So 50 for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Oh, he blazes away. Oh, what a shot that is. There you go. 14th one-day 100 for Yuvraj Singh. His 4th against England. And once again showing the world why he'll go down as one of the... 4 more. Hammered away. 1 bounce over the rope.
Hasn't come to the middle of the bat. It's gorgeous again. It's innings. Strokes away nicely to long off. Picks up another single. Takes him to 150. No cables here. He's gone up and Hales has a chance here. No, it doesn't get there. But Dhoni gets a single. And look at the calmness on the man as well. The captain is pumped up. Dhoni gets 100. His 10th run. Outside edge. Finally, they get the wicket. Yuvraj Singh starts to walk, doesn't wait for the umpire's decision. Well, it's gone straight and it's gone long. That's a terrific shot. Straight to the fielder. Oh, he got his hand toward the wing. I think this is a situation. He's gone short and this is a tremendous hit. Oh, that's a rare shot from Dhoni, you know. There's another one, but might go straight to the field. It does. Dhoni's innings comes to an end. Superb shot. The short ball works for England. No signal from any of the umpires. It's a dot ball to finish the innings. 14 runs from the over.
And straight away off with the boundary, Alex Hales. Nice shot. This time it will get through. Edged. Gone. Deserved that. He has bowled well with this new ball. And a simple catch for MS Dhoni.
Slashes and slashes hard. Root goes straight. Another one. But this is pulled away beautifully. Oh, that's big. That's a monster hit.
Lots of runs in that area. That side spinning delivery that is bowled, but he starts off round the wicket. Brings up the 50 for Jason Roy. There's that reverse sweep. There's the 4 runs. That's the 50 for Joe Root now. This has gone straight up. This is what India wanted.
What a shot that is. Control, power, and good catch in the crowd as well, sir.
Catch it!
In the air and just enough elevation.
Yeah!
Just tried to open the face and get it down to third man, and Jadeja's too good. calculated risk from Owen Morgan. Morgan has the answer. What a shot that is from Morgan.
All gone, isn't it? Yes, it has. Brilliant from DHONI. It will be wided. It is wided. And it doesn't matter where the field is because that's been smashed out the ground for 6. Hacked away, leg side. 50 for the England captain. Played really well. He needed that score.
And here goes Morgan, takes his chance. First ball from Pandya and parks it into the crowd. Pulled away. Goes again on the onside. Once again finds the boundary. This is what England need. 50 for Moeen Ali, and it's come in really quick time. Bang in. So often we've seen after a break.
Well done. The slow ball has done the trick yet again. Takes the pace off. That's going to be 4. Slow ball, and he smacked that into the crowd. Slow delivery once again. Thaman being tested. He's going to get 4 runs for it. That's gone over the fielder. Will the deep fielder get there? No, that's going to be 4. And that brings up the 100 for Captain Morgan. Oh, direct hit and it's gone. Morgan at the other end. Backed up too far, as you do in these last few overs. And they've got the wicket they wanted. Last ball of the innings. And get a single, plunk it. We'll move to 26. India finish the 50 overs. England get 366 for 8, which means India win by 15 runs.